Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna create this cool registration form with the HTML and CSS. First we have this title, then we have custom element, this one, inputs, labels, and register button. And then we have this text, I have already account and login. And we have border reduce, blur background, and mouse hover effect for this button. Let's start the code. First, I'm going to create HTML minimum required code. Then we have container. Inside container, we have a title, which is register, and then we have content. In this content, we have forum, which has user detail, div, and input box. Inside input box, we have inputs. The first label is for input full name, and we have input for full name. And the second one input label is email, and then we have email inputs. After this we have password label and password input, and then we have a button which tab is submit and the value is register. And after this we have a button for link, which we have a text, I have already an account. We can navigate from this register forum to login forum. And then finally we have to link our CSS file right here. The HTML part is done. Now I want to jump to CSS part. And in CSS we have everything measured 0, padding should be 0, and box sizing should be border box, font family sans serif, and then we have body. The body height will be 100 ph, display should be flex, and justify content should be center, align should be center, and then padding should be 10 pixel, background image should be this image. And the background size will be cover, background repeat property should be no repeat. And then we have a little bit design for input and container, which background color is transparent. Remove the background color from these elements. And then we have specific design for container. Max width will be 400 pixels and actual width will be 100%. Padding top bottom 25 pixels and right lip 30 pixels. And border radius will be 5 pixel, border 1 pixel solid slate blue color, and the color will be white smoke, and back shadow will be this shadow. And I want to make the container background color as a blur. We have a property by the name of backdrop filter, and we have blur function and fast 40 pixels. And then we have a design for title, font size 25 pixels, font weight 500, and position relative. And after this I want to create an empty element with the help of CSS, and content will be null, position will be absolute, and left 0, bottom 0, height will be 3 pixels, and width will be 30 pixels. Border radius will be 5 pixels, and background will be linear 135 degree. And then we have to apply some style for user detail. Inside container we have forum, and then we have user detail. This display should be flex wrap should be wrap, justify content space between, and margin will be from top 20, right 0, bottom 12, and left 0 pixels. And after this I'm gonna apply some style for input box, which we have a div. Margin bottom will be 15 pixels and width will be 100%. Then we have a design for label. Display will be black, font width will be 500, and margin bottom will be 5 pixels. And after this I want to apply some style for inputs. Height will be 45 pixels, width will be 100%, outline null, font size 16%, and border radius will be 5 pixels, padding left will be 15 pixels, and border will be 1 pixel solid and a little bit white color. And we have a transition all easy 0.3 second. When I focus on input, we will have this background color. And then we have to create some style for button. Height will be 45 pixels, and margin will be top bottom 35 pixels, and right lip 0. And height will be 100%, width will be 100%, border radius will be 5 pixels, and border none, color will be white color, and font size will be 15 pixels, font width will be 500, and letter spacing will be 1 pixel. Cursor will be pointer, and transition will be all 0.3 second and easy. Background color will be linear 135 degrees, and this background color. While I hover the mouse to register button, the background color should be changed from 135 pixel to minus 135 pixel, and the color should be the previous color. This is the result of our HTML and CSS code. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel.